So here you can see what we've been preparing for the past few months. As you can see, in fact, we just got a shed installed, and it's going to be filled up as a workshop for all of our wood tools. So this is super exciting, and there it goes. That was a few days ago. And yeah, it's really cool. And now I got some close-up pictures so you can have a better view of what it looks like. Super exciting. So on the side here, there's a little bit of space. There's also a window. I'll probably be using that space in a future project. Also in the front, there's a door. When you walk inside, there is a 12 by 10 foot area. And today we're going to be filling that up with some tools. It is just a plywood roof and floor, so pretty simple. There's a vent on the back facing the back alley. And there is Tough Shed, which is the company we got it from, all over. The window also opens so we can get some nice airflow. So what we're going to do is take that workbench where you probably have been seeing me work, and we're going to move all of the stuff this weekend, and we're going to put it into the shed. So here you can see my brother and I, we're just working on first taking everything off of our existing workbench, and then we're going to take it and we're going to transport it all to the shed. We're also using the shop vac as we go to keep it all nice and clean. There's all the stuff we've laid out. So now we've got some stuff in here. There's my dad's large compressor. It is a 30-gallon compressor. Mine's a 1-gallon. This is our workbench, 6 feet by just under 2 feet. There's a pegboard that will probably go against the wall like that to hold tools. Got a chop saw over here. We're probably going to build another workbench. But yeah, I'm just probably going to make some quick jaws for this vise. Here you see what the old ones were like. Just out of some 3D printed plastic, because that'll work well as some soft jaws for delicate things you want to clamp. So to get started, I'm just going to design it in my CAD program of choice, which is Tinkercad. Okay, let's slice. There we go. So it's a bit later, because I forgot to record after I put them in, but I put both jaws in, and they work really well. Let me go like that. And you can really tighten down on stuff. This isn't bolted down yet, but it will be. And yeah, they work well. Let's get back to building this shed. Okay, so it's the end of the first day of moving stuff in. You see we got a big light up there, just a work light to see. And over here we've marked out where the workbench will be. You see I just clamped it up, and that's how big it'll be. 2.5 feet deep, about, I'm not sure how tall. Got all the tools on the floor here, we brought them all in. Air compressor, scroll saw, drill press, over there the spindle sander, and here the disc sander. Got my tool chest in, and over here is mainly what I've been working on. You see I got this pegboard up here, a nice light. For YouTube videos, it's going to be filming like that, top down, so you guys can see better. And yeah, I got lots and lots of the same screwdrivers. But that's all good, got some nice screws. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Okay, so it's the next morning, and I think now I'm going to make that phone mount. So I've got this piece of wood here, and like you saw in the upgrades to disc sander video, I've got these little 3D printed parts that can connect to a phone mount that I 3D printed as well. So I'm just gonna put this piece of wood put it right in there and attach it, and that should be a good mount. See you in a few minutes. There we go. That should be a much better view for filming videos. Okay, it's the end of day 2, and we have progressed a lot today. I haven't been able to film anything, we've been going so fast. But this side looks about the same. We actually moved the saw over here, but then look over here. Completely new workbench. We have Douglas fir 1x6x10s on top, 2x4s and 4x4s on the bottom, shop vac under there. Up here we got my homemade disc sander, scroll saw, drill press, homemade spindle sander, and a gallon air compressor. We also got the 30-gallon air compressor over there. Under here I've started to put some tools out, not very organized, just to set down there. I'm in the process of clearing this up, and in that process I'm going to mount this drill battery charger on the wall up there with some screws. And also, if you've noticed, I mean, it's not that late, but it's not super bright in here. We have lights. So these are meant to look like fluorescent bulbs. You might recognize that look with the dual bulbs, but they're actually LED, so that's kind of cool. But you see they're just a pull cord, and we got one on either side. You can see here, I'll turn them off. That's that side off, this side off. It's pretty dark in here without them, pretty grainy on the phone. So let's turn them back on. So yeah, pretty cool. In addition, we have this little light over here, and I forgot if I've already showed you the filming thing, but yeah, let's continue. Okay, so it's finally pretty much done now, and I hope you enjoyed watching just this quick little update video. Now we've got pretty much everything in here, so yeah, look forward to seeing some more projects out here in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye.